Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Shit! I just had a car pull out in front of me and I fly.
Don't you, Hagrid?
Okay, then I get fanged.
What? Yeah, alright, I guess that's something. No, you know who's really to blame here? Dumbledore. He's the one running this shit. He's responsible for these students, and he's sending...
Camera! I got you on camera!
Oh, Troy, what the f*** you doing in the middle lane? Goddamn, get over. Jesus Christ, make up your mind which lane you want. Fucking idiot, that's what it was.
Accidents can cause life-altering injuries and lead to loss of work and income for families. If you were injured in a workplace accident, call Thomas J. 0656-1000, San Antonio, Corpus Christi, Texas. When you you think about your child's future, you dream big. Big hopes, big dreams, big moments.
Go, Billy, go!
And to do that, you know they need to stay healthy.
Great shot. That's my boy.
That's why you choose Community First Health Plans.
Live from South Victory Studios. All the superstars from the 90s.
I'm Tracy Lord.
I'm Luke Brown.
Experienced plumbing specialists can tackle any plumbing issue, from leaks and drain clogs to fixture replacements and water heater installation. Best of all,
Hey, y'all drive the highway every goddamn day. You ought to know how to drive this road.
for residential or commercial plumbing needs, ABC Home and
Boat and RV insurance, too. Plus, the Geico Insurance Agency can help you save on homeowners and renters insurance. While your sense of humor has become your biggest problem.
What did you think of the new shovels on the road there? They said the whole what song we should look at.
Focus track.
In the quarterfinal round, Texas women, meanwhile, saw their season come to an end in the first round of the NCAA Women's Tournament on Friday night. They fell to Indiana 69-65. Rough weekend for Texas baseball at TCU. Longhorns led or tied in 24 of the 27 innings that were played at Lumpkin Stadium, but they lost 3 games, including yesterday's 12-8 final. Longhorns were up